Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import an image sequence into Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is go to the Media tab, or either click it or click Shift 2, and it should take you to this tab. If media storage is enabled, which it should be, you should go to this here toolbar and click these three dots. Then go into frame display mode and make sure sequence is selected. Auto will be selected once you first launch it, however that just defaults to individual, so just select sequence and then you're good to go. Then you need to go into the edit tab by either clicking Shift 4 or clicking on it, and then you're gonna want to go to the file and select which images you want to add. Now for some reason it only defaults to 8 images in my specific situation. If I add all of these, as you can see, it adds 3 separate image sequences, but as you can see, if I were to try to add this to the timeline, it is a, well, since it is just a static image, so it's not an image sequence. However, it is just a image sequence of one static image, and if I play it, it'll just play through it like a video. Now if you had an animation with different frames, each individual icon or image would be a frame, and at that point you're gonna want to add it as an image sequence, and then it'll play as an animation would. And that is pretty much it. Now you can change, I think, how many images go into one. If you change the frame rate, for example, if I click on 30, that should then allow me to import several other images as an image sequence. Let me try this with a couple of more images, let's say these 3 rows, and as you can see, it is importing it as one singular file, and that's pretty much it. Now let me just delete this, add this new one, and as you can see, it is an image sequence of 18 images, and that is pretty much it. If I try adding all of these like so, it again just defaults to 3. I don't know why. It's a glitch that happens to me only. To you guys, it should just add one image sequence. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.